All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you another link type. It's called the rotating link. So we're just going to go in and actually create a rotating link. And rotating links are pretty straightforward. So we're going to pick Link Wizard, and we're going to pick sticky reviews, and then we're also going to pick text in bulk for our link. And what we're going to do is we're going to create this rotator here, and we're going to paste a link for text in bulk. We're going to paste a link for sticky reviews, and then we're going to also paste a link for Link Wizard. And this is going to be our rotating link. And then if you want, you can customize the domain. If you want to customize the domain, if you want to rotate, if this is a messenger ref URL, then you can click that. So you can create essentially a rotating link that will rotate through multiple different Facebook ref URLs. So you can add all your other options there if you want, like your Facebook pixel and all that good stuff. We're not going to do any of that. But if you want to add those options, you could add those options. And you can see here that your link is here a rotating link. So I want you to see how this works, where you're going to go to that link. And what Link Wizard is going to do in a normal rotating link is it's just going to rotate every single link click through the different links that you have. All right. So the first link click is going to go to your first link. The second link click is going to go to your second link. And the third link click is going to go to your third link. And then the fourth link click is going to go back to your first link. And the fifth link click is going to go back to your second link. And it's just going to continue. It's just going to continue to do this. It's going to round robin rotate between every single link click, the next link in line. And that's what a rotating link is. And that's how the normal rotating link works. Now, later on, you're going to learn about different types of rotations between the sticky rotator and the other rotators that we have, all right? You'll be able to learn between those different types of rotators, but this is how the rotator link works by default, is every single click, it will rotate between each link that you have, all right? And that's great if you're running affiliate campaigns and you're a group of people and you want to share one link in your webinar for people to click, and you want to evenly distribute the traffic between the 3 different affiliates that are on that live event, all promoting the same thing together. You can evenly distribute all the traffic between those different links. You can do split tests, and you can split test different destinations and opt-ins here with that rotating link. And I'm sure you guys can find several other, creative little ways that you can use that rotating link. But now you understand how to use it and what it actually does.